forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. Keep at your Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Fan Mapradi Bizo ke mango tsako kae?
Nkola bhuti.
Yeah.
Ngibuye Rosebank bhutwana.
Yo.
Unjani?
Mnandi bhuti.
Awuxola, awuthi yami ngicela ukutshela Sithibo.
Yeah.
Igame le mina uthi yami ango happy. Yesama amafene ngathi happy mina ango happy.
Ukhala ngani bhuti?
Because siku home awuthi yami angeke so respect Sundowns. Always masiku home. Always siku home siyaba respect. Kumele sidominate siwine le game. Understand? The technical team ukhipha lo mfana ulanga to mina you paid.
Wrong sir.
Yes, lokhu singafaki intwana angazi bayisabala mfana. Abesingekho besiku home suppose win le game. Into engathi ngijabulele ukuthi asiluzanga. Understand?
Yes, leadership.
Understand yonke into Sithibo mina ngayijabulela idraw mana ngijabulelanga. Masiku home suppose sidominate masiku.
Kwamele sibabulala.
Yes, not one. Yes, not siku home sidominate Sithibo. Understand? Ngiyabonga Sithibo ungifaka lapha.
Ayasibonga.
Sharp.
Man of the match ubani bhuti omdala?
Man of the match yami today ayingafaka lo mfana obescoring
Thank you bhuti omdala.